Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm coming to you with this new video on a Mondays. Starting off this video, I should say, on a Monday. So happy new week, y'all. So I know in like a few of my vlogs, I told you I will be going back natural. No, I've been on this roller coaster with natural, relaxed here, natural, like it's a whole back and forth roller coaster thing with me. And I think every few years I do this to myself. No, we're gonna attempt to go back natural. You guys knew that I had in braids. I think, yeah, around 3 weeks I had it in. I'm a person, I don't keep in braids pretty long. I'm someone that likes to wash their hair very often. And if I don't wash my hair, like my face just, starts acting up. My skin starts acting up, I should say. There's small bumps and all of that. And yeah, I don't keep hairstyles so long, which is bad and expensive. But braids and I don't really work. Normally I would do crochet. Crochet is my thing. If you guys watch like my older vlogs, I've been doing crochet in so long. So that's what we will be wearing very often to just, start the process of getting back natural and just using protective styles. Braiding, I ain't gonna do no more braids because the last braid I did, it was so, like, I have very sensitive skin. Okay, my scalp is sensitive, and it was just such a pain to sit and braid my hair. It hurt. She didn't do it tight, but like I said, I'm very tender-headed, so it was just kind of a challenge for me. So braids are not on my calendar for the rest of this year, hopefully. But like I said, protective styles like crochet, that's what we're gonna do. And most of the times I'm gonna do my hair like I crochet my hair like most of the times. So we pulled out our hair last night, which was Sunday. And I'm gonna show you the process of my relaxed hair right now. By the way, my hair started falling off. It has not been growing for so long. So I don't really have much hair on my head, to be honest. I don't have much hair on my head. This is the condition of my hair right now. Let me turn around and show you. And yeah, like I said, my hair has been falling off like crazy. Not much hair, but let me check the hair. It's not really, I don't know what's going on with my hair, but we are definitely gonna try to, work on it. I have pretty dry here. My hair doesn't hold moisture, so that's like a whole new routine and products I'm gonna have to find. But today we're gonna wash our hair. I'm gonna show you the products that I'll be using to wash my hair. These are products that I just have been using. I am planning to purchase new products and all of that, but I'm gonna use what I have now until those are finished, which they are finishing off. And we're gonna probably incorporate new products in the during the process. So let me show you guys the products that I'll be using for today wash day. So I normally use the Aussie Miracle Repairer. I have the both shampoo and conditioner. Then after that, we're gonna be doing a deep conditioner. Of course, like I said, my hair needs proper care. So I'm going to be using the Originals Hair Mayonnaise, and this is for deep conditioner. So this I will be leaving in my hair overnight. So one of my friends told me that if I really wanted to work, and it works best too, I just leave it in my hair overnight, sleep in it, and then I can wash it. Oh, so that I will be trying, because each time I deep condition my hair, I'm always washing my hair in the shower, right? So if I put this in it, like within 5 minutes time, it's coming out, and I don't think it does my hair any justice. So we're gonna be leaving this into our hair overnight. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, and then we're gonna see what happens with my hair. Also, I am planning to clip the ends. Yes, I'm gonna do all that on my own. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's still a lot of like relaxed going on, but in the scalp, you can definitely see changes. I'm getting back natural, because the last time I relaxed my hair, it hasn't been that long. I'm not gonna lie, it has not been that long. Maybe a month now, and a month is not long. So we have a long way to go to getting our hair proper. So we're gonna use this, and then like I said, we're gonna leave it overnight. I'm gonna sleep in it tonight and all of that, and then I'm gonna wash that out. And then tomorrow we're gonna use this leave-in treatment. I have this the Lotta body with coconut and shea oils. I don't know if this is good, but this is what I have. This is what I'm gonna use until you know until we get more products. So I'm not gonna go into the shower. First of all, I don't know how you guys do it, like when you're doing wash day, you go into the shower with your clothing or even the top. Like I can't do that. Like, oh, I think it feels yucky. I want to say it feels yucky because if I was at a water party, I go to water events and I get wetting clothing. But like to be at home in the shower to do that, I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna literally stand over the shower. I have my handheld and wash my hair that way and give you guys a little feedback. But that's how we're gonna wash our hair today. So let's get into this, and please, I need y'all comments. I need y'all feedback, recommendation for products, what to do. My hair is dry, brittle, doesn't hold moisture. Right now, if you guys see the water, if I wet my hair right now, you will see that the water is just bouncing off. So drop all the comments down below. I really need it. I really need your help. And let's go on this hair growth journey together. So let's get in to washing our hair right now. Okay. Alright, so we're finished washing our hair 3 times. Now the shampoo is done. The girl is gonna have to buy shampoo because I'm just ain't gonna wash my hair weekend again. I wash my hair like almost every week. Literally, depending on the hairstyle that I have. But to be frank, if I'm like wearing my own hair only, it's washed every week, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna add in the hair mayonnaise right now. I'm looking at the hair, and trust me guys, it is so bad. Like you can see the natural hair coming, you can see the relaxed things at the end. I'm wondering if I should clip it now or wait until tomorrow when I'm washing it out. And then wash there. Like my hair has fell off so bad. Like I am looking so crazy, but we are committed into getting our hair properly, okay? Committed to hair growth, strengthen hair, happy, healthy hair. That's it. Healthy hair. So, oh yeah, man, I can see it. The ends definitely needs to be cut. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow because guys, I am so hungry. Like I did not eat any lunch today, but I did eat a heavy breakfast. So we're gonna add this deep conditioning right now. I'm gonna leave it for overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna wash it out. Guys, it was such a struggle bending over, washing out my hair just now. Like, yeah, we're not gonna do this again. We're gonna go in the shower and wash out our hair. I could have wear like I was thinking about it to wear like a swimsuit top, but that way I wouldn't feel so icky with the clothes sticking on me so bad. But that was about to happen because the girl is also on the monthly, and when I'm on my monthly, I'm gonna be in and out of the shower, wash it properly and out. Like I can't wash my hair and it's like I'm filming, you know, and doing, there's just too much whatever going on. So next time we're just like gonna go in the shower and wash out our hair, and we'll just wear, you know, a swimsuit top. I could have gone like naked, but like I don't want the camera to, you know, just in case, because I'm using the back of the camera still. That's what I'm currently talking to you guys on, the back of my camera. Anyways, let's get this thing going, and this is finished too. I'm gonna have to purchase some of this, purchase one more of this. This is completely finished, completely finished.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside.
Alright, so finished putting in the deep conditioner in my hair. The next thing I need to do now is to find a bag to put over my hair, and then another. When I'm going to bed, I'm gonna wrap up my hair properly. So luckily, it's just I had to work. I actually wanted to, do my hair earlier in the day, but I was so busy at work, so busy working. Because you guys don't know I work remotely, so I'm so busy working. I wasn't able to do my hair early today, so I could have dried before tonight, but it still would dry because it's just 6:10 right now. 6:10 in the evening, so I go to bed pretty late, and then 30, 11, 12, 1 a.m. Don't ask me why I go to bed so late. I will, change that in the future. But anyways, we're gonna find something to put. We need a stand-up bag because I don't have like a plastic shower cap, and I only have one shower cap that I use, and I don't want to mess that up. So I'm thinking a regular bag will work. Let's go find it first, and let's see what we find. Alright guys, so I found this bag in my kitchen. Am I the only one that when you go to supermarket you take up a few of these? I do it, okay? Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this on my head. Let's make sure everything is covered. I'm gonna push the back on my hair all I need to do. The sides right here. Yeah, I know I'm looking crazy, okay? But this is what we gotta work with. We only have this bag. We only have one shower cap, and I don't want to mess it up with this. Ooh, my ears is gonna be a problem, isn't it? Alright, let's see. Well, this should do. This will work, guys. We are gonna jump in the shower, then I'm gonna make my dinner. Actually, I'm gonna make dinner right now before I jump in the shower. So make dinner, then jump in the shower, and then tomorrow we will come back when I'm washing this thing out of my hair. And what are we gonna do when we wash it out? We have no idea. We're just gonna twist it in some granny twists until I buy the hair, because I'm thinking to crochet my hair. I just don't want nothing to legal. I don't want no legals at all. So crochet would be like the best option. So I'm gonna need to get that here sometime this week. So yeah, I'll come back tomorrow, and when I'm gonna, I'll figure out what time of hair I'm gonna buy, and then yeah, we'll do our hair together. So yeah, this is the only shower cap I have, and I don't want to mess it up. So I should probably sleep in this too tonight, right? Yeah, sleep in this tonight, and then rock it up with my regular, covering when I go to bed. I think that works, please. Anyways, guys, catch you guys on day 2 of this whole hair transitioning to natural hair, to growth, to healthiness, to all the above. And remember, I are awaiting you guys' recommendation down below in the comments. So, help out your girl. Please, I'm begging you. Later, guys. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So we washed out the deep conditioner from last night. Washed our hair, and I already added a leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna blow dry it right now. And I have decided what I'm gonna do with my hair. So I have some Burmese curly hair. Let me show it to you. This hair I've reused like 20 million times right now. I've literally reused this hair, guys, 20 million times. So I am thinking I was gonna do that the Jada Waiter style, but I don't have time to I don't wanna spend much time in my hair, which is chain right. I just don't have my time for that. So I'm thinking I'm going to do the, oh my god, what's the style called? That style, oh, miracle knots. I'm gonna do the miracle knots. I'm gonna be using this here. Instead of purchasing here, why not use what I have? So I'm gonna like remove the wave from this hair and then just plait in my hair and feed it. Oh my god. Excuse me, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a hairstyle with this hair. Miracle Knots it called. It's all over TikTok and like everywhere. And I'm like, you know what? Let me do the style. I have a curly hair. Save me money from buying hair. It works perfectly. So that's what we're gonna be doing today and tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna attempt to finish my hair tonight. But if it doesn't finish, we're gonna move over into day 3. We're trying to figure out our hair. But in the interim, we're gonna blow dry our hair right now. I'm in the bathroom, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna punch in and do some stuff for work, and then I'm literally gonna be stopping working, doing my hair. So that's what's gonna be happening. So did you guys know I sweep and I literally mopped up my entire face this morning, and hear me on the floor with all of my hair falling out. Like, now I'm gonna have to sweep again, but it's okay. Yo, the back of my hair is so, oh my god, you know what? I'm just thinking about it. It's been more than 6 weeks. I processed my hair. I remember I put it the straight here and I only had relaxed the front of it. The back, it's probably been over 2 months now or more. So the back of my hair, guys, it is very coarse. Very, very coarse. And oh my god. Yeah, you can see the growth. It's growing out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clip the ends and then we're gonna start on our hair within a few minutes, and yeah, we'll see how this journey goes. We'll see how this miracle knots style that I'm gonna do, but I know it's gonna look good. I like to do my hair, and yeah, so I think I'm gonna test one because I do have some hair extensions. I'm wondering if I should put some hair extensions and make it longer. So I don't know, I'm gonna do like a test at the front on my hair and see how I like it and see how short or long it falls. And if it's just too short for me, I'm gonna use some addition hair that I have and, you know, plaiting my hair and yeah, all of that just so when I'm sitting down at my table and going through my hair, guys, me what's happening. But in the interim, I need to get back to work. Let me just clean up this mess on the floor first. Alright guys, so it's done in the evening. I'm finished working and everything. It is 6:51 in the evening and we're gonna attempt to do our hair. So now I know my hair is gonna take 2 days because it's 7 o'clock right now and I haven't showered and I haven't cooked dinner as yet. So we're just gonna probably do this for an hour and then cook, jump in the shower, eat, and I doubt I'm gonna come back to my hair. So tomorrow we're gonna finish it, and tomorrow I have to finish it because tomorrow Wednesday I will be going on the road. So I'm gonna have to finish my hair at some point tomorrow before I go on the road. But anyways, I know it's gonna take long too because I've decided to feed in some hair. This is some body wave here, so I cut off the wave. I'm gonna have a lot of cleaning up to do, guys. I'm gonna have so much cleaning up to do after this hairstyle. I wish I had braiding here. I don't. Super sad, but we'll figure it out. And then this is the curly hair the Burmese curly hair that I cut off the wave, I don't know, whatever it's pronounced. So we're gonna attempt to do our hair right now. Most of the video will probably be like TikTok because I want to do like a short form content of this, but I'll definitely still take you guys along with me with this hair journey. So, and the other reason why I want to feed in my hair, because look at the front of my hair. See, this is so short. The front of my hair is really short, so I'm gonna have to add in extensions in my hair, and then the back of my hair is really not that, you know, I feel like I should have flat ironed my hair a bit to make it a little bit more straight, because it's really, the back of my hair is so, the growth is crazy, but that's what we want because we're going natural. Anyways, I'm gonna jump into trying to figure out my hair, and when we reach at some point in the video, I will show you guys. Guys, I know you can see that I'm in a different hairstyle. Yes, I changed my mind last night. So while I was doing my hair, right, I told you I was gonna eat, whatever, then start my hair. I started 2 strands around the back. And when I realized this is gonna take me a long time to figure this out. By the way, I went on the road and bought braiding hair, because the hair that I was going to use, the body wave hair, it was just not working, and it was just messy, okay, because I cut it off the wave, right? So yeah, I came back and I braided 2 strands, put the hair on it. I'm like, this hairstyle could definitely work. But when I thought about the time that it was gonna take me, I was like, yeah, we're not doing this. We're not doing this. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go back to one of my original ideas to do the Fulani. So I braided all my hair last night, braided everything, and we're just gonna sew in the back hair. So that's what we're gonna start on today, Wednesday. I really want to do the miracle knots though, so I want to get the proper hair. I'm gonna get the proper crochet hair for it instead of wasting my bundles, because I literally cut a little, well, look at I was cutting piece at the time of my bundles because the girl would have lost her Burmese curl. And I told y'all, I have reused this hair like 6 times now, literally. Well, more than 6 times, but you guys get the drift, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're gonna start on our hair. We're multitasking as usual, so we're gonna do that, and once my hair is done, we're gonna show you the final product. Guys, oh my god, I need a wig. You see, if I had a wig, I would not be going through this right now.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know.
Alright guys, so we are finished. I literally just finished a while ago. Well, I'm not completely finished because the front of it right now, I'm gonna have to use my crochet needle and just put some here to hide the weft, so it, it looks a little bit uniform. But this is how the hair is looking. So this, so this is the hair that I have to look in the mirror. So this is the hair that I'll be wearing for Carnival week, which is next week. I'm so excited, guys. So this hairstyle is perfect for sun, perfect for water, like everything. So like I said, this bundles I've wear so many times. Let me tell you guys where I bought it. At Judine's here. She's in half, if you're in Jamaica, live in Kingston, she's in half a street across from the transport center. Behind the transport center, Eastwood Park, but it's Judine's here. If you search that on Instagram, you'll find her. And these are the braids curly again. So I don't think I need any more hair. So the only thing I'm gonna do right now, I'm actually going out tonight. So the only thing I'm going to do for tonight is I'm gonna shower right now because it's after 7. I'm gonna shower and we're gonna put some conditioner and water and spray this here. I don't have any mousse, so I definitely need to buy mousse because mousse definitely revive curls. So yeah, I'm gonna get some mousse and figure that out. But yeah, this is the hairstyle. Very good protective style. I really appreciate you guys so much for watching. And yeah, remember, please comment down below the products that I should be using. Recommendations for protective styles here. Just give me all of that. But I will be wearing a lot of crochet and everything, so we need to get online and get those here whenever I can. and the girl needs to get her wig. I know that one of the persons that I watch on YouTube, Chev, she bought some wigs from Love Me, and the quality looks good, and I even like the color that she bought. So I'm thinking to try Love Me Hair wigs as well. So yeah, but I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and let's go on the hair journey together, and I'll see you guys in another video on another day. Bye bye.